Hey scholars, so this week we are going to spend some time reviewing a lot of the words that you have learned, and we're going to do a couple of lessons where you actually have to use these words in sentences. So today we're going to focus on the column here. So Miss Esther is going to go through those words, and I want you to say them as well. So let's go. A, all, am, an, and, are, at, be, big, can, can't, come. All right, now you try as I go to each word. A, all, am, an, and, are, at, be, big, can, can't, and then come. Today, our lesson is going to focus on the word love. Okay, so love is how we feel about something. So for example, I love my dog. I love my family. I love my house. What do you love? So this story is about pets. So let's read the story together. I want you to whisper read as Miss Esther reads. I love, love, love my cat. My cat loves me. I love, love, love my dog. My dog loves me. Now you try. Great job. All right, so these are our power words that we're going to be learning in this lesson. I love my, this is, and a. So you should know all of these words because they're words that we have studied before. Here, the, I, love, my, a, this, and is. In, are, here, my, the, this, is, I, love, a. All right, so in the next video, we are going to read the book, I Love Basketball. And then you're going to complete a Nearpod to practice the words that we have been learning in our lesson.